Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Terraria board game, step by step. First, carefully set up the main game board and each player's individual character board. Distribute starting equipment and 5 gold coins to every player. Remember to shuffle both the event and biome decks thoroughly, placing them face down in their designated spots. Finally, each player selects their unique character and a starting biome to begin their adventure. Your turn in the Terraria board game is clearly divided into 3 distinct and exciting phases. You'll always start by either exploring new areas of the world or gathering valuable resources from your current biome. Next, use your collected materials and resources to craft powerful new items and essential equipment. Finally, engage in thrilling combat with various monsters to gain experience, valuable loot, and progress your character. To explore, simply draw biome cards and strategically add them to the board, revealing new challenges and exciting opportunities. When you inevitably encounter a monster, roll dice to determine the outcome of the combat encounter. Remember to fully utilize your character's unique abilities and any powerful crafted gear to your advantage. Defeating powerful bosses is absolutely crucial for advancing through the game's narrative and unlocking new content. Winning the Terraria board game involves successfully achieving specific game objectives that are outlined at the start. This might mean you need to defeat a formidable final boss monster, or perhaps collect a certain number of victory points throughout your adventure. The game concludes when one player successfully meets all the designated winning conditions. Work together, or compete fiercely, to be the ultimate Terraria champion and claim your victory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.